everyone, my name is Alexandra Delphine from BSSW1A. Today I am going to show you some example of mathematical pattern and or some application of mathematics around me. Before proceeding to our main topic, let me discuss to you what is mathematics and pattern. According to Ian Stewart, mathematics is developed by human mind and culture. It's a formal system of thought for recognizing, classifying, and exploiting patterns. Patterns in math. In mathematics, a pattern is a repeated arrange of number, shapes, colors, and so on. The pattern can be related to any type of event or object. If the set of numbers are related to each other in a specific rule, then the rule or manner is called a pattern. In short, pattern is regular, repeated, and recurring. The Fibonacci sequence is a set of numbers that starts with a 1 or a 0, followed by a 1, and proceeds based on the rule that each numbers, called a Fibonacci number, is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. These are the things that I have found inside our house that applied Fibonacci sequence. First, the stairs. The stairs has 8 levels of stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has a 8 level of stairs. Second is the star. This star is for the top of our cursor, so I just use it to make it as an example. The stars has a 5 arrow, and the third is the LED light. As you can see, the LED light has the 3 lights. If you look closely, it has 3 lights. 1, 2, 3. Fibonacci sequence is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. And that makes the stairs, stars, and the LED light a product of Fibonacci sequence. Tessellation is created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gaps or overlaps. These are some of the examples of tessellation that I have found in my parents' house. These are the tiles of our comfort room, our floor mat, the wallpaper, and the design of our blankets. As you can see, the shape of the examples I gave is repeated, and it does not have any gaps or overlaps. Spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and series of circular shapes that evolve around it. As you can see, this mantle has a spiral design. Fractals is never-ending patterns. This is the example of fractal. If you look closely at the leaf, the margin of the leaf repeats itself within the midrib, into another margin, and into full shape of the leaf. Symmetrical patterns are a designs or pattern that is identical on both halves when folded. Symmetrical patterns can have multiple lines of symmetry. A line of symmetry can be vertical, diagonal, or horizontal. This Tupperware and the glass is an example of a symmetry. Try to imagine that if you cut the Tupperware into a half, each side of the Tupperware is equal, like the glass. If you cut the glass into a vertical, each side of that glass is equal, like the Tupperware, and that makes the Tupperware and the glass a symmetry. Thank you for watching.